Good morning guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you haven't seen the last video I uploaded when we wrapped the whole body of the FRS, let's go down to the shop right now. I'll show you guys how the car is currently looking. It looks so freaking sick. Here it is, boys. Damn. Big oof. Really big oof. Oh, that looks so good. I cannot wait to get this car finished up. Still waiting on lifts and barrels for the wheels, of course. Today's goal is to kind of just finish up the car. I totally spaced it, but in the last video, in the wrap video, I didn't rewrap the roof. It still has the old Avery black wrap on it, but just kind of beat it up from sitting outside. So I'm gonna rewrap the roof today, get the wing on, get the wide body kit installed, probably get the diffuser on. Just try and get the car wrapped up and ready for when I get the wheel parts in. We can build the wheels, get the wheels on the car. So the first thing I'm going to work on is the back of the car. We have a new set of taillights to put on the car. We got the Rocket Bunny V2 or the V3 diffuser. I think V2 and V3 is the same. The new taillights we are putting on this car are freaking insane. You guys are going to be so pumped with them. Oh my gosh. So I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, what the hell? These Aventador looking taillights. If you don't know what they are, these are Buddy Club V1s. They're like a Lamborghini Aventador style of a taillight. They look weird on the car right now, I would agree. But trust me, when it's low, when it's got the kit on, when it's got the big ass APR wing on, with the bumper, the diffuser, everything on, it's gonna look so sick. I promise you guys. Don't judge it right now. Be patient. This sucks. So I bought these like 6 to 8 months ago. I opened one to make sure they're good. I didn't check the other one. The one I didn't check has a pretty nice crack in it. That freaking sucks. Oh wait, it's got 2 cracks in it. If anyone's got one Buddy Club B1 for the passenger side for sale, please let me know. I will buy it from you. Wing, taillights, bumper, and diffuser are all installed. Last thing to do on the back of this car is this carbon fiber trunk clip. This thing is actually held on by double-sided tape, which sounds freaking crazy, I know, but I had it on there for, I don't know, what was it, like a year? Never had one single problem with it. So I need to go pick up new double-sided tape for this thing. I also really want to throw the wide body kit on right now, but I'm going to hold off on doing that. I'm going to run to town, get the double-sided tape, and I'm also going to pick up, they're called riv nuts. So instead of using the rubber weld nuts like every wide body dude uses, if you run a wide body on your car, you know those things always tear. They're always falling out. So what a riv nut is, I'll show you when I get home, but it's like it's a rivet with a nut. Where, oh where are the riv nut guns? Big dick energy. Huh? See these right here, babe? Replace my rubber nuts. Ooh. I don't like rubber nuts, I like aluminum nuts. What kind of nuts do you like? How good do you think this stuff is? What do you need that for?
To measure stuff.
Like big dick energy? So, would you trust this? This is gonna hold on my carbon fiber lip on my trunk. Do you think it's good or do you think it's shit?
I mean, we can test her out and see how it works.
With a $200 lip, that's gonna fly off?
So, this is foam and this is not gonna hold on Devin's bumper. It's just too thick.
No, this holds up to 2 pounds rating. The 3M stuff I use holds up to 30 pounds rating. What do you think would be better? 2 pounds or 30 pounds?
30.
All right, here's the deal. I ended up getting some 3M, or no, this is Scotch. I don't even know. I thought it was 3M. Ended up being Scotch tape. Holds up to 30 pounds, so that'll be plenty. As far as the rib nuts go, I realized I can't even use rib nuts on this car because the holes currently drilled for the wide body into my stock body are 10 millimeter for the walnuts, and the riv nut holes have to be 7mm. So that means my holes on the car are way too big. There's no way I would be able to go back down a size, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna stick with what I have using the walnuts. They work fine. I just wanted a more permanent solution. It's all good though. So what I'm gonna do right now is get the trunk clip on, get the roof wrap peeled off and then rewrapped, and then we can move on to installing the Rallybacker V2 wide body kit. It's gonna look so freaking insane. It might look kind of funny for now, or it will until we get the wheels on, but looking at it from the front and the back, it's gonna be wild. The roof is done, looking absolutely amazing. The next thing to do, and what everybody has been waiting for, including myself, is to put on the Rallybacker V2 wide body kit. So it's all wrapped up. So first thing we wrapped, this is it, boys. What I'm gonna be using is rubber walnuts. This is what a walnut looks like. So this goes into the body of the car. The Z-Spec hardware screws into the rubber walnut holding the wide body to the car. So let's go ahead, get the kit on. It's gonna look freaking nuts, guys. I'm so pumped. So the first thing we have to do is actually put these rubber walnuts into the body of the car. So I'm just gonna cut the vinyl right above the holes, and then these things slip right in. Just like that. We already got our first damage of the new wrap. Just because I kicked it with my damn foot, we scratched the vinyl on the bumper. Oh my gosh. It is so wide. I got the main panels of the wide body on the car. I'm gonna pull it outside. We can air the car out, get it all the way on the ground. I know we don't have the wheels on it yet, but we will hopefully pretty soon. So let's pull it outside, get it aired out, see how freaking nuts this thing looks. Damn, this is crazy looking. Finally getting the car out of the shop. Finally, after all those months, or not months, yeah, it's actually been a few months since the car was orange and looking good. I lost so much faith in this car. I'm so glad it's out of the shop. It's vinyl wrapped. We got the whole wide body kit on. Such a long time coming, but I'm so freaking excited right now, guys. Ugh, it just looks so good. Look at this. I guess this really shows how wide these kits are. So that is stock, obviously a stock wheel with no wheel spacers or anything. It's in there. Let's go. I'm gonna grab a tape measure. Hold up. I'm gonna guess it's in there like 5 or 6 inches. Yeah, literally like right at 6 inches in the rear. Front's probably like 5. Ooh, that's like 3.5 in the front. Oh wait, I do have 1 inch spacer on there right now, so it'd be like 4.5. Oh my gosh, guys. Leave a comment down below if you ended up liking the black. I was kind of hesitant for a while, Bobby really wanted me to do black so we could kind of be matching whatever, you know. It's kind of sick to have a somewhat matching car with a girl. But seeing it finally done, hope you guys can hear me fine, the wind's pretty gnarly, but seeing it finally done and like out of the shop, it's freaking mind blowing. What do you guys think of the taillights? Remember how I said they looked whack at first? You guys still like them? I think I like them. I need a replacement one though for this, that really sucks. So we still do have quite a bit of work to do on this car. We have the Brembo install, some chassis braces to install, obviously wheels and tires, the lower side skirts, we gotta get a front lip, I want a front splitter, possibly front canards. Lit Lights is building me a set of freaking gnarly headlights, so as soon as those are done, we will have those installed. I did order an antenna block off plate. It's actually for a Honda Civic. They didn't make them for FRSs. It's just a little carbon fiber plate that you put on the roof. So I'll be doing that. I don't know. What else? What else, guys? I don't even know. Drop a comment in the comment section below if you have any other ideas. A lot of people are going to be saying boost the car. I don't know if I want to boost it. If I can get a really good deal on a turbo kit or supercharger, then of course I will. But as of right now, I'd rather put the money for a turbo that this car would cost, like $3,500, $4,000. I'd rather take that money, put it into like the Evo 8 or something. I think you guys can understand that. Evo 8s are going to build way more power than an FRS ever will. So this is how it looks, guys. I'm so freaking excited. I'm literally just gonna go sit down in the corner real quick and stare at it for a while. Let's go look at it together. It looks so good. It's so crazy when you have this vision and this passion for cars, like this vision in your head, you know, and then you execute it and it comes out like looking exactly how you want it. Even though it's not even close to being done, it's coming there and it's gonna be nuts when this car is done. All right, my friends, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a ton of fun working on the car today. We got so much done. We got the kit on. We got a lot done. You guys saw the video. I don't need to explain what we just did on the car. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of the somewhat finished product. Like I said, we still have a lot to do, so don't judge the wheel fitment. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. I'll see you in the next video.